Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
All the right things, and Massacre find the song them. Like, Massacre, he might find the hit song them so easy, come like him have a hit song factory. Like, me don't know how him do it.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
All now we know them one close. Don't stop it. Hey, what up?
2,000 years later.
Get them becoming counting up. Your clowns is up, and what about it up? The mouse is to a bottom below the cup. In the nobody, the enemy down the cup. Push one in a brain with the crown the top. She
You never move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
People are going, they don't know how one Media Fox when happen. Yeah, man, you know what things said. Why people? I don't know what wrong with J.A. Radio, you know. I don't know what wrong with J.A. Radio. You see me? But I'm up to agenda still. You see me? I guess he might seek some attention for him new channel and all of them because something there. But him don't know, say, brother, something where you talk, brother. You just have to flap out your own self, dog. Can't believe, say, you was a man in our business for so much years. Yeah, I said them information, yeah. I not even know, say, brother, you have to flap your own self. But people are going every day making no argument.
People, I'm talking to you right now this morning. Something strange going on in the dancehall. I wonder if everybody notice. You must notice still, because it's very obvious out here right now. Alkaline drop a music video. Aura, as him said in them song. Zin, him drop a music video. I wake up and I say I do a reaction to it and I look. 41K in a solid day. In a solid 24 hours, 41,000 views. I think to myself, I say, yo, this is not the Alkaline. Remember, people, if I'm going to be honest with yourself, this whole 1 million thing on YouTube, Alkaline invented that out here. We can't go around it. Alkaline was one of the first artists me see out here where I drop music video on even audio track on YouTube and it's a mill. The week can't run off and you don't see a mill. And it happens in anybody's career. You don't know, from you been doing this for so long, Alkaline and spring chicken, people. Alkaline, they about a long.
Yo, that's all I'm not talking about, you know, bro. YouTube views and everything, and when you hear and look on the views, them views and the likes now add up. A big bag of views on the deal with. You understand? Majority of new artists, some of them, a bag of views and buy my G. Is what I'm trying to say. First of all, Aura, the song they drop on the album, I just a video the man drop. People know the song and hear the song already. You understand? Not because you see 41 mil down the line it can go up. I see him thing when you say with girl good, brother. You see me? And then when you look, the views start go up. If I understand it, bro, even the same artist where you carry in Massacre, brother, be a views them man they get on them song, brother, and buy me G. You see me? So for that you go look on, you don't even make no say still not take nothing from the song. You see me?
No. To the point where some might argue him is a foundation now, right? He's been doing this for a while, so you don't know your August decline and all of that. But such a massive decline still, people. And I'm not here, people, but I'm just say it overall. Yo, I'm not pick no side out here. Shocking to some people. I'm not say Gaza, I'm not say one side, I'm not say Vendetta, I'm not say Unruly. Honestly, big man thing, I reach a level now where call it growth, people, yo. I just rate every artist, I listen to every artist, I listen to people.
Brother, you see that, brother, yeah?
Shocking to some people. I'm not say Gaza, I'm not say one side, I'm not say Vendetta, I'm not say Unruly. Honestly, big man thing, I reach a level now where call it growth, people, yo. I just rate every artist, I listen to every artist, I listen to Alkaline, I rate Alkaline. I still listen to Alkaline album to this date. But I say overall, people.
Brother, stop going like you want to fool the people, them, brother. And stop going like, say, boy, you're not real, not hard. Boy, you're not choosing a side and bag thing. Because we know you as a Gaza vlogger. And then now you start running with the crooks, them. You see what I'm trying to say? You're not talking nothing bad about the crooks, them, G. Everything you've been a proper massacre, so I don't know what you mean, dog. You can't fool people, but you can't fool we. We know, say, Alkaline and now you're an artist. Where you vlog for anything. You see me? Cause look at day and age right now. Right now, what you do, you try to compare Massacre with Alkaline based on the song where Alkaline drop. Knowing say be views Massacre by.
Remember the positioning of an Alkaline in the ecosystem of dancehall, right? Right now, people them say, I'm gonna call it out and say people. The people them say Alkaline kind of lose him aura to Massacre right now. It seems like for Massacre make the brave effort for this Vibes Cartel, him automatically position himself now. Why for the position? I don't know. But Massacre automatically placed himself now as a direct rival to Gaza.
Yo. Jerry the dog. Bro. Yo, who I tell you that? Which people I say that? Yeah, craft man in the dog. Yo, the brother I love Joel, say, but bro, be a man this year talk, you know. People. A be a man this the man attack, brother. The man I say, yo, people I say it. Who? You understand? Which rival? Brother, you're sick in the head, my G. Massacre and Cartel never good. They never know of no rival, my G. No treat family thing. What you mean? Alkaline and how he is not the conversation. Even at the same war with the man, Tamil and everybody. So I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Because at the end of the day, Gaza and the Crooks them usually in a one house. And a this Alkaline and a bag of things, so I don't know what you mean, my G.
Some people that say Gaza is one of the largest fan base in the dancehall, right? And now Massacre, it seems like every fan base have them targets on a Massacre. If you notice, you don't feel it right now. What going on dancehall right now? You don't feel it. Ask yourself honestly right now. Who are the most anticipated artists right now in terms of drop, in terms of releases right now? I'm going to ask everybody watching right now. Who are you most anticipating for say, all right, once you see a notification forwarding, say this artist release a song, yo, just go run and go listen to it and just excited. Who? I'm going to ask you honestly. Tell me in the comment section. If I say Vybz Kartel, well, Vybz Kartel released a song yesterday, day before yesterday. Vybz Kartel released a brand new song. You get what I say? Is it Alkaline? Alkaline dropped a better body recently, about last week or so. So who is it to now? Like me as a people, I'm not biased out here or nothing, but we'll just look on it right now. I'm Massacre time right now. You see me? Now like me say it's not no glazing nothing. I don't know that still, but yo, truth right now. I have to look on it, the fact say, yo, Massacre.
Yo, about 3 years now, I say I'm Massacre time. And nothing not changed to hurt it. Brother, I don't know what wrong with them, my G. You see me? I don't know what wrong with them, dog. But soon I try with Massacre still.
It's not a new artist as well. Massacre is a whole artist and the people. But it just so happens that right now is Massacre's peak. And what sister recently, announcement was made. Massacre is now in the whole arena conversation, right? Previously, it was Vybz Kartel alone with this whole arena talk, excluding Beanie Man and, UBS and the rest of people. But everybody did say, all right, Vybz Kartel are the arena king right now. And then here comes Alkaline. Zin, back in the conversation again. They say, yo, Alkaline, arena. And then we hear say, yo, couple arena shows get cancelled. So it's like a lot of people say, all right, I'm not hear, like I say people, I feel I always talk and I explain myself, which I'm going to stop to that, because none of you watching know my intentions. I can only tell you, I wish the best for Alkaline. I'm not out here try to spread no hate towards Alkaline, or none of that. But we are talking about dancehall. Zin, I study dancehall. We listen dancehall music every day. If you notice, I play dancehall. Even when I go live, I play and I listen music. Zin, we can't deny the fact that, yo, Alkaline get a nice little nitro boost. The fact that, yo, they put Alkaline against Vybz Kartel. Remember, the two artists, them even got it briefly while Kartel was in prison. We see shots fired. Direct shots too. So we can't say it was just insinuation. Vybz Kartel shoot off of Alkaline. Alkaline shoot off of Vybz Kartel. But fast forward now to 2025, since Massacre, Tommy Lee, I'm telling you, since Tommy Lee actually made the first move, because dancehall up on a standstill where we actually thought Massacre was about to clash Alkaline. That was, if you ask me, that was supposed to be the best matchup. I never said this coming where now all of a sudden now it's one side against Gaza.
Brother, wanna still keep on that about Massacre, Alkaline and clash, my G? Huh? Massacre no wanna clash, brother. You understand?
If you notice, Massacre, everybody thinks, all right, for the fact that, yo, Gaza pull them strength from a Massacre, automatically, one side would have crumble. All on the people. Yeah, people. So automatically, Gaza would have think, say, yo, from them pull them strength, they would have say, yo, the demise of one side. But actually, it was quite the opposite where I saw the rise. Finally, I see the rise of a one side. One side became real. We see the amount of one side vlogger pop up out of nowhere. I can literally say, yo, one side have even the most female vloggers right now. So you can tell, say, the fan base is not 100% man-driven. The woman, them love one side as well. Them love Massacre as well. So, right now, it's like me, I wonder, me, I say, yo, is it that Massacre kind of bump Alkaline to third place now? Is it that, all right, Alkaline was kind of enjoying? Oh, play a card game. Anyone play a card game?
Yo, people, wanna come get J.A., dog. I tell you, brother, J.A., I don't know, dog. It come like when you start rip free crooks them to rot it. It come like, say, your IQ level when it comes to vlogging, it gone, dog. I tell you, it's like, every time you talk, you sound like them. The delusional messages and, you see me? A bugger, nothing. You see me, my G? Yeah, man.
When you drive, you kind of do this drafting thing where you kind of does the behind. Why for the behind? Cha-cha, God. But you know what thing go? when you're there directly, oh, me need an freak, yo, me can't even talk straight when they come on to dance. I can't say position, me can't say behind, what me can say. People, you know what I'm talking about. You know when the car is lined up where one is around the other side of the other one and them a draft and you get that wind resistance there because the number one I take all of the hitting at the face with the wind and everything, while the other one with the position, you know that Judge, I never know if it's a people. But you know,
Brother, you just a chat madness, bro. But you don't know where you attack and where you explain. That's why the point where I try to bring out, it can't finish. You understand? Cause I be a shaky attack, brother. You see me? Cause brother, the whole world knows the Massacre gonna reach Alkaline level, brother. We don't just talk about some look at Jamaican dancehall space, my G. And when Massacre drop him, look at hot song them, and when him go there go perform, it is a different thing.
I said, Alkaline has been enjoying that drafting for all his career where, you know what I mean, all he have to do is just line up himself and the fan base, the hate and everything where he might get, is just kind of boost his career. Because believe me, people, hate in this music business is the best thing you can ever. Yo, if you have vlogger, you're not a hate, or you're not an ups or none of that, you think water don't get lily. So believe me, hate is necessary. Hate has been a necessity for Alkaline, and it kind of propel him career, and nobody can deny it. Vendetta can't deny it. But if I notice right now, you know, it seems like guys on the care about Vendetta right now, see it? It seems like all them care about is one side, Masicka. And then the Vendetta fan base, it seems like they're so distracted with what going over one side. It's like the fan base just forget to support them artists. That's why I'm saying I thank God for the girl good, because the girl good, it really give back Alkaline a momentum. How much needed momentum in the dancehall? Because believe me, I'm one of the best out there still. Alkaline have a song them, alright, I'm gonna be honest right now. Alkaline have a lot of big songs in the dancehall. We can't go around it. A lot of monster songs. They're not songs where when it release, you know, the first week, the whole place shake up and I say, alright, a bad song. But believe me, you see the more you listen to the song them, you realize that yo, Alkaline construct him song them different. But I think the problem with Alkaline is that him kind of lose him influence people. We're gonna be 100 with it. You see, Alkaline's influence was so strong, him don't have to run down and follow the crowd and try to sound like nobody else. He was able to do his own thing and it always worked because his influence was so strong. It's like say, all of the camps, all of the fan base hated this youth so much, it's like them just put all of them energy into Alkaline's career and it just, you see me? It just blossom. But now it seems like a lot of people kind of walk away. So it's like Alkaline don't have that influence anymore where, remember, it don't sound like nobody in the game. Let's be honest. Alkaline song them not construct like nobody at all in the game right now. Yo, the man them over here do trap and then Alkaline over here do something completely different. But it normally work for him because his influence is so strong. And I feel like the problem with Alkaline is that him fail for crossover. It's like, I don't know, when I get no good interview with Alkaline, so I just don't know his mindset. I don't know what he want out of life. I don't know if I'm happy already because I don't know, say, yo, pocket full and overflow.
Yo, bro, man, tell it already. J.A. Radio. So what you say? Alkaline a crossover. Bro, I'm telling already, you know, my G. Like, brother. It's like, I don't know, dog. You see something, I don't know if you a time for you just low vlogging or what, my G. Because for people like you, say the madness of my dog. So you say Alkaline a crossover, but Massacre crossover. That you try to say, or what? I don't understand. You see me? Because Alkaline are the dancehall force right now. That's why they are talk about him. Much artists in the dancehall, they're not talk about them. Alkaline they are talk about me, G. You see me? And especially you try use Alkaline to make Massacre look like him dep on certain levels. You see me? But as me say, that's reality alone I go proven wrong. You understand?
And one thing you can't deny that, the youth rich. If a rich is and everything, yo, if I don't work towards him have it already. But if it's about career, you have to remember say, yo, Alkaline should be making moves overseas now. You see, the things where Skillibeng do right now in the game, Alkaline should have do that right now because him have, yo, remember no man, Alkaline have the fan base, yo. Alkaline have the fan base. If Skillibeng...
Bro, what Skillibeng do now, my G? No, like people, to be honest, what Skillibeng doing? I see Skillibeng go perform on one show, one place over in a Jamaica where they name Fridays, brother. The crowd just stand up on him in a Jamaica, him the dog. What you mean? What Skilly do? I see Skilly and Coffee Job song, I not hear nobody talk about that, bro. When last Skilly find a hit by himself? I don't understand this, brother. What Skilly are doing a dancehall now? What him do? Him dep on a collaboration with Vice Cartel, that not go nowhere. What Skillibeng do? But you always use Skillibeng for size up with Alkaline for make it. Skillibeng not do nothing for himself, bro. If the label not put him with a collaboration, him not there now with me, G. You understand? You see it? I think him dep on some type of tour with him and Malina, some little small little club and thing. You see me? But Skillibeng not do nothing now, my G.
Have half the fan base with Alkaline have, believe me, with a whole different ball game. Alkaline need to start make some move overseas people. There's always gonna come a time in your career where you feel like you just peak, where you hit a glass ceiling and a time to break that ceiling and cross over, yo. Nothing wrong with the game, but sometimes you have to leave a game for the new people when they come up. Alkaline seem like him still out there try chase a number one in a dancehall space. And at this stage in their career, that's a big no-no, people. Alkaline supposed to collaborate with the rapper them and everything. You dig what I say? It's like, yo, it's if we have the old school Alkaline. Remember now, the old school Alkaline was a whole total different person. It's like two different persons. We know some maturity and all of that play a huge part. Comfort, your level of comfort, all of them they play a huge part. But the Alkaline, what would you see when them just found in the game is not the Alkaline, no. Mannerism, everything, dog. You say if we did have that youth there, we did have that, the hunger and the drive there, if we did have that youth right now, I would have trouble in the dancehall, no people. But him kind of have this more laid back thing I go on right now, if you notice. And it'll work against him because dancehall is so fast. Yo, there's so much people pop up right now. Fella in 19. Yo, Raw Cash, all type of people pop up in the game right now. Skipper, everybody, people distracted. And Alkaline need to kind of reinvent himself now and find a way to get back at the spotlight right now because it can't be about Gaza no more. Believe.
Bro, you there talk about Alkaline and you not talk about Skipper them music and all. Alkaline there talk about you to Alkaline forget about the space. Boy, J the dog, I don't know who trouble make you forward over, brother, but bro, stop make yourself look like a fool on the internet, my G. You understand? Forward is something better than this, dog. You see me? Because at the end of the day, Alkaline night conversation all the time, my G. You see me? Because I don't feel like the dancehall is all about, yo, running down this and that and Ray and I say Massicka drop much his song, must 3 songs for the year. And him go perform it down a Grenada. Brother, the people them stand up on the man I wonder what go on. I tell you already, you know, brother. Things them where when run down a hype, when run with, you know, and hotness, you know. Alkaline are there with them look at thing there, brother. You see me? Because them thing they not survive for long. And music the man do. And as you talk, the 3 song them when Masicka drop, when them Life of Sin and Bossy and Slip and Slide, none of them they dip on a level where girl good there right now. Remember me tell you that.
My people, in a perfect world, it should have been Massacre versus Alkaline. It should have been that. But it never played out that way there. And it kind of make for a better story in the people. Like, I can't go around it. You get me I say? It kind of make for a better story because now we can say, alright, friends turn enemy. You don't know, say Massacre and Cartel used to link. And then now, them at odds. So it kind of make for a more interesting story. But if I talk about generation versus generation, it really should have been a Massacre versus an Alkaline. But right now, we see Massacre do all the right things, and Massacre find the song them. Like, Massacre, he might find the hit song them so easy, come like him have a hit song factory. Like, I don't know how him do it.
So people, him say Massicka have the hit song factory. This a Bossy where him drop this year. This a hit song? See Alkaline girl go there.
You have to face the facts.
People, the crowd reaction a while ago, which one of them sound like is a hit song?
Right now, Massacre only dropped 3 songs for the year and a 3 bangers. So him average, him about a better average than you just say, alright. Matter of fact, people, he's actually batting a better average than a Vibes Cartel, a better average than an Alkaline, because them drop a lot of songs will just never make an impact. To this date, tell me a song right now from Massacre will not make an impact.
The 3 songs them where him drop. Which song make impact? What you talking about? Alkaline have girl good right now where mash up Guyana, the biggest show in a Guyana, sold it out. Now the man have the girl good challenge go on for Trinidad show in August. And the show next month in Barbados. So me don't know what you talk about impact when it comes to Massicka. Massicka drop the song them. Him go Grenada. See him like the video goes first him a perform Mossy Bossy. You understand? So we no see no Massicka do Grenada show. Me no see nobody attack say yo this everybody attack about say the performance lacking. Nothing nah go on. Nobody with the impact there. We not see nobody a forward out and I say nothing. We not understand this. When Alkaline go down a Guyana, everybody a talk about it. Some don't know what kind of impact, where impact there with Massicka song. And we not talk about Jamaica alone, we talk outside of Jamaica. You understand? Because I don't know which part of the world they live in a JA radio. To be honest, bro. Yeah, man, you need to come out of the bunker, man. You ain't there too long, my G.
I'll wait. Even ask them right now. Tell me a song from Massacre we release, Zine, and it doesn't make no impact. Where you can say, alright, that song a flop. The ops them right now. Tell me in the comment section right now if I'm tripping. You dig what I say?
But what you mean by impact? Masicka drop some hot song, people talk about it and then it just fade away after that. What you talk about? We are talking about impact. Because we not see the song them a impact out there in the world, my G. We not understand this. Alkaline have him song them and I get the most bookings and Massacre right now. A headline big shows. That Massacre right now. So I don't know what you mean. You understand?
So right now, I don't know. Vendetta, we have some work for the water, yo. And even Uno, I know some of like set up on the artist for failure. But you have to look at it. Numbers don't lie, yo. Numbers don't lie. The first week sales, that was an eye-opening moment. 700 and less than 1,000 sold. Come on, yo. That should not be for a person where a full out of arena no people. The man full out of arena the day before, and then the album numbers, it doesn't reflect that. So there's a major problem. We can't go around it. Vendetta, you can't go around it. So it's like me, I wonder. And the only thing we can come up with, it just seems like the Alkaline lose him aura. It's like him just losing buzz to Massacre to one side.
So J.A. the Massacre and drop a EP, how much it sell? It hit the billboard? Cause I remember say Alkaline the 4-day worth of stream and still hit the billboard. So called when I say him get one hit song out of it, although him have more songs. What Massacre EP though? Because you talk about Vendetta people him a set up him artists. You a set up Massacre right now, my G. Because Barkley show forward on him album. You understand? Remember that. The man drop a EP, Def Jam, international label. And the EP, you know, where the EP do? You not do nothing, my G. No sales, you know, hit the billboard. So once you know hit the billboard means say not do well in the sales them. You understand?
I don't know. How do you feel about it? You want to tell me in the comment section, let me know. Yo, keep it sucking matter to a minimal. You know what I mean? 2 per person. And keep it moving. You get what I say? Well, people, you don't know, say, yo, we're back in a new channel, we call it Dancehall Debate. Yeah. We're back in the...
Sure, you say Alkaline are the man. You want to build a channel, so you have to call Alkaline name, but I saw it going on people. Love when them talk like this, you know. You know? It only expose whatever reality in the atmosphere. You see it? But people, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. That is it.